You're watching Minity Maths. In this video we are going to cover estimation. Practice questions and answers are at the end of the video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for weekly videos. So, what does estimation mean? To estimate something means to approximately calculate a value that is close to the accurate value, but not exact. Estimation can be used when we don't need to find an exact answer, so we can quickly guess the value of something, such as the total cost of your groceries when shopping. We can usually estimate values by rounding. For example, if you were to buy these 3 items and had £80 to spend, you could estimate the total value by rounding each item to the nearest 10, and then adding them up. We can quickly work out that we probably do have enough money to buy these 3 items. We use this symbol rather than the equals sign to show that a calculation has been estimated. We can also use estimation to make informed guesses about quantities. For example, if we look at this jar of sweets, we can quickly estimate how many sweets it contains, by counting the sweets at the base, by looking underneath, and the sweets along the height, and multiplying them together. This would give us a rough estimation of how many sweets the jar contains, but the actual figure may be more or less. We can also use estimation to check the accuracy of calculations, to ensure a mistake hasn't been made. For example, you order these meals at a restaurant and are charged £34.95, but you have already estimated that the cost would be roughly £22, by rounding the price of each meal and adding it together. So now you know that £34.95 probably isn't the correct bill. A mistake has been made and you can ask for it to be checked. By using estimation, you have avoided being overcharged. Have a go at these practice questions and pause the video while you work them out. Thanks for watching Minity Maths. Check out the channel for more videos.